me again. Got a different project today. Until I get back into my usual habit, I gotta finish the rack I was building. It's on here. First, look, this is what I want to show you. Look, this is America iced coffee. This is Canadian iced coffee. What in the hell? This is much better deal. Only it's, you know, I have a heart attack with this. So anyway, there's no more ice in this thing. But I have something different on the menu today. Today on the menu is I'm going to fix this thing. I'll check to see how you can see it. But anyway, this thing has this tiny problem that goes like this. See? It's kind of a hazard to my kids because this piece right over here is a pinch point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clamp this, drill a hole, and put a rivet on both sides so it doesn't move for my kids, because somebody gave me this and my kids are obsessed with it. It's pretty cool. It's old. Who doesn't like an old stroller? It's got a brake on it and everything. It's got a brake. The back flips up like this. The whole thing kind of just goes down. But see, it doesn't stay. It just kind of folds up. But whatever mechanism was here isn't here anymore, and it's not working properly. So I'm just going to do a little modification to make it safer, because the little locking mechanism on here kind of doesn't exist anymore. First thing I'll do is clean up some of this. I don't know what it is. It's like somebody put I guess they thought putting, what is this, bread bag wire on there. What I'm thinking of doing is taking a clamp, going like this, right here. I could try to figure out how to do a mechanism, because there's a little burn mark in there. I'm guessing somebody, at one time there was that thing spot welded that kind of locked in there. I have no idea how it is. I'm not going to look for it. I'm not going to try to like look it up and recreate it. I'm just going to do this, clamp it down right here. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm going to, that's not enough. I'll try to make it as straight as possible. There we go. And I'm going to pop a hole in there. And what I'm going to use is hook up my air compressor, and I have a pneumatic riveter. I'm going to try to drill a hole right in here. I didn't do a punch in it. The only thing that can go wrong right now is, you know, my drill dies or I break the drill bit. One of the two, but it's bound to happen. Oh, there we go. Anyway, we got that. Alright, video freaks. What I'm going to do is put this in here and this in here with a washer, because I think the other little rivet I have won't fit inside the rivet gun, so I'm going to use a washer. Taking this, putting a washer, if I can get my fingers through here, a washer through one side, and then on the back side I put another washer, so when I rivet it in place, I won't get caught in the goddamn machine. Hopefully I won't rivet my finger in place. So yeah. Ta-da! Again, on this side, I guess whatever mechanism was here is no longer here, so somebody decided to use yellow, I don't know, bag wire, what it's called. We'll clamp this again, we'll drill a hole, and we'll rivet it. And we'll drill a hole in here. Quick and easy. Ta-da! And again, what I'm going to do is take the rivet, put one on the top, put one washer on the bottom. Ooh, that's hot. Hot! That's really hot. Ay, caramba. Takes all of a hot second to get this done. Put that on there like so. Put that on there, hold it there, and then watch this. One blink of an eye. Done. Stand this up here. so. This out there. Try don't get too much. That. We'll clean out. And there we go. See? Nice and sturdy. It's got a rivet in there and rivet in there. Now, my kids will probably break it, but hey, that's what they do. They break things. Dada fixes them.